Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And in today's video, I will be guiding you how to review Hotmail activity history. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to log into your Hotmail account. For that, go through any web browser that you prefer on your desktop. Open the Hotmail, that is Outlook account, and log into your account. Once you log in, you will get to see your inbox space as you can see on this interface. Now at the upper right side of this interface, you will see your profile icon. Click on there. A dialog box will pop up. From there, click on My Profile under My Microsoft account. That will take you to your profile information page. Now at the left hand side, from this bunch of menu, click on Privacy. Now you have to verify your identity. For that, you will get a code on your email address. If you already have a code, click on I have a code, or if not, click on email to your email address. Now a code has been sent to your email address. Open up Gmail on your desktop. Here on your inbox, you will get an email from Microsoft account. Open up that and copy the code provided here. Go back and simply paste the code here. Then click on Verify. Once you verify, you will land on your privacy page. Here scroll down a bit and under Manage Your Activity, you will get to see all your activities such as your location activity, browsing and search, app and service activities. You can simply review through all this data on your activity history and you can manage accordingly. So that's how you can review your activity history on Hotmail. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.